Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning as well as good afternoon. Thank you very much, everyone, for attending this very important ceremony of signing MOU between Comstech and SAWiE, which is an extremely important organization. I've been going through the activities of your initiative, and I found it extremely important. We feel that agriculture has been neglected in many of our programs, and through the help and support of your organization, as well as direct guidance, which we are so blessed to have from Professor Dr. Khalid, certainly an opportunity for us to contribute in the field of agriculture and health and related aspect of it. So I am extremely grateful for reaching out to us. And our challenge would be that once we sign this MOU, then we need to design activities, and for which I have my entire team with me right now. Each one of them is motivated to contribute, and we would certainly be looking towards you for your guidance and your and certainly a long-term collaboration. So we see this as a great opportunity for expanding the benefit of this initiative beyond Pakistan and to other OIC member states. Dr. Khalid, thank you very much. You've been always very innovative, and you were able to engage us with lots of very good organization. Your help directly is contributing in the development of Pakistan, and AI Center is one example, nanotechnology is another example, and certainly many more which you're doing with other institutions. So your patriotism, your commitment for Pakistan is certainly a great example, and something which we all consider as a role model. Thank you very much. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, Your Excellency, for such a beautiful introduction of the journey that we are starting now. And I always think this is a responsibility that our generation have to protect our natural resource. And the way the world has progressed, the development is bringing a lot of challenges to us as well. And in this case, the special issue that we are facing at the moment is that the world is facing a climate change scenario. It's a crisis. It's like a house on fire. We have to do something now. And this is where this initiative was not only me, it's the team and the experts and the advisors and the mentors. They helped us to conceive this idea. How do we bring a change on a smallholder farm? How we can help them to address their food security challenge? How we can help them to address the water challenge? Water is going to be a biggest crisis in coming years, I would say, days to come. Country like Pakistan, which is already experiencing 60% of water shortage at the moment, it's been said by the UNDP report that by 2025, which is not far off from today, so Pakistan is going to be a water scarce country. And to address this problem, SAWiE has come up with a number of ideas and initiatives. And this is where I think this is a great day for us to work together with you and your leadership with the Commission to work in Pakistan and across the OIC member countries. And we have a short presentation we can show you later on. I just want to hear what's the best way forward. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much, Professor Khalid. And after your presentation, we would also have our short presentation as well.
Thank you so much. Do you mind, sir, making me a host? Thank you very much, sir. I just want to make my my team member here, Rabia. She's going to just quickly show you a video that explains the challenge that we are facing today and where we need to sort of work together. So, Rabia, I'm just going to try to make you the host here. Okay. Yes, please. Yes, please.
World population is increasing at an alarming rate compared to food growth. Unfortunately, it is not a matter of just growing more crops to combat this crisis. Factors such as small landholdings that have a smaller yield and climate change are also responsible for the inverse relation between consumers and food grown. Unanticipated rainfalls, heat waves, and climate change are due to global warming, which creates unfavorable weather conditions for farming, leading to a drop in food growth. SAWiE has come up with a smart solution to help address climate change challenges through providing an unbiased farm advisory service. This covers soil, water, and crop management solutions that use the satellite Earth observation data with computational modeling. The SAWiE tools of crop health and growth monitoring enable farmers to access real-time information, applying inputs at an appropriate time in crop stage. SAWiE offers a longer-term seasonal weather forecast using a dynamic downscaling approach that will be further assimilated into crop models to provide early warnings to the farmers on applications of inputs for crops, keeping in view the weather conditions. The SAWiE platform will be available in the shape of a smartphone app, a web-based application. We have also developed a mechanism to deliver messages in different formats, audio and video alert. The user needs to add their farm location and crop type to receive advice and alerts. The SAWiE platform offers decision support tools, comparing scenarios for better managing crops, and a knowledge hub full of information to end users, farmers, extension agents, supply chain partners, helping insurance and finance industry to reduce their risk of losing investments. SAWiE aims to improve the environmental benefits of managing crops and enhance farmers' income globally. SAWiE has partnered with prestigious universities and research institutes in the UK and other partner countries to access state-of-the-art knowledge about the sector. For more details, please visit www.swie.info or follow up on Facebook and Twitter.
Thank you. Excellent. We can have our documentary as well.
Yes. Please make us the co-host.
Rabbi, can you please make the co-host back to Comstech, please?
I just made you the host.
Me, okay. All right. Okay, thank you. Yes, sir. Over back to you.
Comstech, the Ministerial Standing Committee on Scientific and Technological Cooperation of the OIC, Organization of Islamic Cooperation, was established by the Third Islamic Summit of OIC held at Makkah, Saudi Arabia in January 1981. The President of Pakistan is Chairman of Comstech. The structure of the Comstech consists upon the General Assembly, Executive Committee, General Secretariat, and Comstech Secretariat. The President of Pakistan chairs Comstech as ex officio chairman and the Prime Minister as the co-chairman. Comstech General Assembly is composed of all the member states of the OIC represented by the Ministers of Science and Technology or other nominated representatives, the Secretary General of OIC and the Coordinator General of Comstech. The chairman nominates member states for the Executive Committee for a 4-year term. The Coordinator General is the Chief Executive Officer of Comstech Secretariat, who is assisted by the advisors and other required staff. Comstech is situated in Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan. The mandate of Comstech is to strengthen cooperation among OIC member states in science and technology and enhance their capabilities through training in emerging areas, undertake follow-up actions and implementations of resolutions of the OIC Summit, and to draw up programs and submit proposals designed to increase the capability of the Muslim countries in science and technology. The ultimate aim is to build and nourish a scientific culture in addition to using science and technology as a major contributor to socio-economic development and rapid industrialization. The objectives of Comstech include assessment of human and material resources of member states, and identification of scientific and technological needs and requirements of the Ummah. Building indigenous capabilities of member states in the fields of science and technology through cooperation and mutual assistance. Enhancement of cooperation and coordination in scientific and technological fields amongst the OIC member states with a view to achieving collective competence in science and technology for solutions of the problems of the OIC member states. And creation of an effective institutional structure for planning, research, development, and monitoring of scientific and technological activities at national, regional, and international levels. Comstech works in close collaboration with OIC institutions, member states, and their scientific and technological institutions, and also works with international organizations. Comstech has established Islamic World Academy of Sciences in Amman, Jordan, Comstech Inter-Islamic Network on Space Sciences and Technology in Karachi, Pakistan, Comstech Inter-Islamic Network on Water Resources Development and Management in Amman, Jordan, Comstech Inter-Islamic Network on Oceanography in Izmir, Turkey, Comstech Inter-Islamic Network on Tropical Medicine in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Comstech Inter-Islamic Network on Information Technology in Islamabad, Pakistan, Comstech Inter-Islamic Network on Biosaline Agriculture in Dubai, UAE, Comstech Inter-Islamic Network on Virtual Universities in Tehran, Iran, Comstech Inter-Islamic Network on Science and Technology Parks in Rasht, Iran, Comstech Inter-Islamic Network on Nanotechnology in Tehran, Iran, Comstech Inter-Islamic Network on Environment in Khartoum, Sudan, Comstech Inter-Islamic Network on Veterinary Science Research in Khartoum, Sudan, Comstech Inter-Islamic Network on Renewable Energy Resources in Niamey, Niger, Comstech Inter-Islamic Network on Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology in Cairo, Egypt.
Comstech has been headed by distinguished scientists of Pakistan with international repute since its inception. Dr. M.A. Qazi was the first Coordinator General of Comstech and served from 1988 to 1996. Professor Dr. Ataur Rahman led Comstech from 1996 to 2012. During Dr. Ata's tenure, among many other distinctive achievements, Comstech got a state-of-the-art building, headquarters of Comstech situated on Constitution Avenue, Islamabad. Professor Dr. Javed Laqari and Dr. Tariq Banori have served Comstech with additional charge of Coordinator General. Dr. Shaukat Hamid Khan, a physicist, remained Coordinator General of Comstech for 4 years, from 2014 to 2018. In April 2020, H.E. Dr. Arif Alvi, President of Pakistan, appointed Professor Dr. M. Iqbal Chaudhry, a renowned scientist of Pakistan in the field of medicinal chemistry, as Coordinator General Comstech. Dr. Iqbal has been honored by the Presidents of Pakistan with Hilal-e-Imtiaz, Sitara-e-Imtiaz, Tamgha-e-Imtiaz for his untiring service to Pakistan in the area of science and technology. Dr. Iqbal is currently heading Comstech as Coordinator General.
This is a short introduction to Comstech. For detailed activities, please visit www.comstech.org. The beautiful building of Comstech headquarters is located at Constitutional Avenue, right off.
Thank you, Professor Khalid. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. It's impressive introduction of Comstech, and really, we have colleagues here from Nigeria, from the places of, I would say, the partner countries which are part of this program. Yeah, I see here colleagues from Dubai, from ICPA Institute as well. So we just had a small short window. We didn't invite many guests to this event. So thank you very much for joining to this great ceremony. So I would like to request Professor Iqbal to make signing remarks or final remarks, just to
Sure. Thank you very much. I would be signing this very important document, and as I said, I'm looking forward to have your guidance that in next 1 year, perhaps in a short-term time span, we should really have at least 10 activities conducted in different countries, including Pakistan. So it's a challenge for us, and we'll be working together wherever possible. We'll be able to provide logistic support and financial support also. But certainly we need to look for other opportunities of support for these very important initiatives.
Definitely, sir. I think this is a great honor for us to work with you, sir, and especially the mission of this long understanding in science and technology. This is what the USP of SAWiE is.
16.
It's a great honor for us.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Let me show you that.
Okay, we'll just stand up here as well. Thank you so much, sir. And I think this is a great honor for us and for my team as well. Team, please turn on your videos if you can, so that we are part of this journey. I'll just take a picture.
Thank you very much, Professor Khalid. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you so much.
Inshallah. Thank you.
Thank you so much.